Basically, we're going to cover three things. So first of all, like a framework for developing your personal brand, and that's really what the personal branding flywheel is all about. Is giving people some structure and some sort of techniques and tools and tricks that they can use to develop their personal brand. The second area is probably really focusing on why spending time on your personal brand is important. And I think, as entrepreneurs, as myself as an entrepreneur, and also you guys joining the call as entrepreneurs will realize that your time is extremely valuable, and how you divide that up across a week to focus on anything from, running the business and doing finances and invoices and administration and client meetings and business development and all of those different tasks can be extremely demanding. That getting in and actually spending time on your personal brand is something that you need to be disciplined with in terms of allocating and blocking out time to achieve that. And then the third thing I hope that you can take out of this is actually taking some insights and knowledge away that you can go and work on, knowing that we've got templates and structures and areas that we can help you with developing your personal brand. So that this actually, a lot of the thinking that we're going to discuss today comes from a course called the Personal Branding Flywheel. I wrote that course last year, late last year, having a bit of extra time on my hands at home with COVID, and some of the clients that I was working with were really struggling with their business. So I took that as an opportunity to work on some existing notes I'd pulled together around personal branding, and that's where the basis of this sort of Q&A chat has come from.